Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone in your Samsung S24. So to do that, make sure you tap the settings app and then tap here where it says sounds and vibration. And here we can set the ringtone with this option, ringtone. And now there's a couple default ringtones that you can pick here. Then all you have to do is to select the one you like and it's going to be set. If however you want to set a custom ringtone, you can use the plus sign here, and this option allows you to search for files in your device. So every single audio that is available in your device is going to show up here, and then I could pick one and it would be my ringtone. So that's how you change the ringtone. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.